So the dawn is in the building. The curve here.
This one's look like this one today. That's my own cup, you see. Where did the set spine?
It's not there. You only get one.
You don't want to Alaba. Not really is Alaba. I close my eye. These people are too clever. It's also painful. It's the thing just do your chicken. Okay. It just feels like you can breathe.
It feels more free.
Yeah. I like this. I like this.
So the dawn is in the building.
Hey, which one is me? Which one is it?
But you can see this one is your own.
Hey.
This is what it's supposed to look like.
This skeleton.
And you can see the curve here.
This one's look like this one today. That's my own cup, you see. No.
You can see that it's curving here. Always going the opposite way. So because of the nature of your walk, always like this. And if the spine is bent this way, and then the head is always forward, then it will first be straight and then it starts to go the opposite way. You don't get headaches?
I don't know, there's something that is wrong there. When I do my body, when I assume say, I show everybody body. So
it's not just you, it's everybody.
Yeah, I don't assume that. That's what pain itself, I don't assume that everybody is.
It's not so. Some things is because of what each person's body is, or how much stress and tension is on each person's body. You can see the space here. You can see how the one doesn't have the space.
This X-ray, did they capture what's in the person?
No, that one CT scan. Like, what do you think?
No, not really this person thing, but this guy just in the white one, I want the black one.
No, not be that one. That one I could just increase the contracts. So the white and dark is not really a big thing. It's more the curvature. And then the space.
Can I say what I'm saying? It looks like I have a gunshot in my head. Like the blue screen is shattered.
No. It's no gunshot. It's more so, let's call it stress instead of gunshot. You can even see here how the tissue builds up. I mean, even now, see how I'm sitting, see how you're sitting.
Yeah, but that's how this thing is, they're supposed to be telling us from when we are from beginning.
From but you know, there are some things when we were younger was true. As we got older, we saw that it was actually creating more damage. Like, you know how people do these crunches?
Yeah.
Because now you don't really see anyone doing it.
That's true.
Because it's damaging to the disc and also the neck area, and it's not really giving that much results.
Come on.
So some things it just takes time for us to realize that
So that's how I'm supposed to be like this. Because I'm saying like this is why this is why I have boobs. This is why my boobs is sitting there like on top my banana. Like you understand? Because I can feel it. To say if I'm up like this, at least you could just stay.
It's more easier to be. And what helps you to be up like this is your foundation. If your legs are on the ground, it's easier to stay like this. But if your legs are like this, it'll be difficult for you to stay up.
Oh wow.
But since we started talking, I noticed it, but I wanted to see how long it would take you to bring it here. But you went from here to here. So it's difficult to stay like this or like this and stay up.
Oh, wow. If not that, so I'm like still like this. Okay, now you're telling me that, so I'm gonna
So when I see videos and you're not sitting like this, I will just leave comments.
So
I tell you, say I watch you.
Man, I don't feel this because I am always like this.
I'm telling you, because if you're like this, it's difficult. But here, it's still difficult because it's new. But at least the more you work on it, the easier. You can even see the upper body. And this one is supposed to be straight. See how your
Oh, that's colorful.
to the left side is belly. And then your right side is up. This one is down. Remember when you were talking of
Yeah.
you were saying you had pain around this scapular area.
Yeah.
You see this here?
That's what caused it now.
So your body is like this. And then the neck is here. Okay, now this is going to do it correctly. So if you're like this all day, there's no surprise if you have pain or discomfort.
Hey.
Then the last one is the lower back. Now it looks like this because you're blessed with more flesh.
It's not correct because there's
more blessings.
There's more blessings. Come on.
So you can see the curve here.
So which one is this one now?
This is from here down.
Yeah.
You can see that it's more straight here. Now you can't really see this one, but obviously I can. The spaces in between is where the disc is. Now that disc is there for cushion and support. Let's say I'm sitting on this chair, myself, cushion, wood. If this cushion is supposed to be this size and it's reduced, comfort level.
Yeah.
So this part here now, and this area now is always small. So it's a process, it's not a one-time thing, but at least
where did it say spine?
Good day. You only get one. You know how you can get new teeth, new hearts.
They buy spine.
For where? Even if you go kidnap person, say you want that person's spine.
You never try Alaba. Not really. It's like, who go buy spine?
Because your spinal cord is inside your spine. So you can't remove the spinal cord that connects to the brain. How you remove the spinal cord? So you have muscles, tissues, disc, nerves, arteries. There's no, you can't remove it.
So you mean that they come out spinal cord to come back?
For where? No. The most they can do is fuse your bone or your joints, but to remove it, and to die with that one. So you want to remove your spine?
So they buy
Last part, I feel like once you reach outside, you go check.
I go Google it.
Yeah, you only get one spine. That's why I always tell people that if you don't take care of your spine, even if you're trillionaire.
I close my eye.
Now injection.
Oh no, I'm everything at the same thing though.
No, you don't have to close your eyes.
You know, I want to close my eye.
Okay, now no, I like you close your eyes. You bring your legs here.
The front. Hey, God.
I'm just turning to see how much pain you have. Really shut it down. Put your head this
way. These people are too clever. Hey, God. Do you know how long I've been trying to do that thing?
Let that go.
No, I'm always trying to yes. It's my big head, sir.
We'll come this way.
Ew. I felt good. I felt very
Was it painful?
No. Yeah.
See what I say, you don't have to close your eyes.
Yeah, it wasn't painful. It's the thing just do you ching.
The same thing my mom talk. My mom talk saying it was just ching.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's ching.
Yeah, just something.
It just feel like something is moving.
Yeah.
Come to this one.
That would be like blood flow.
No, that's what it is. So when obviously with your own spine, you've seen that it's going opposite.
Yeah.
So with the adjustment now, we're freeing up the joints,
Mm.
which now helps with blood flow and circulation.
Okay.
Come to this one. Down some more. Deep breath in and out.
Hey. Okay.
One more in and out.
Someone cannot do this thing by themselves.
No, of course not. You can come up.
I wish I can come up now.
You take your time.
Hey. Okay, that was very good. It just feels like you can breathe.
It feels more free.
Yeah. Okay.
Go to this one. You don't see this one before now.
Yeah, I've seen it, but I used to wonder what this is. I used to wonder what that is.
It helps to decompress the spine. You'll see it.
Mm. The compressor.
No, this one be on. You're ready. You're ready for that. You'll be okay, your head up.
This thing will be carrying my head, so you say head size is different.
You'll be okay. Deep breath in and out.
Oh my God. Okay, that felt good.
The last one is scary, but where do you feel it more here? Or down more? The last one.
It's like my chest. It's like
around chest area.
Okay.
You feel sore?
No, so okay. Well, I don't know when I started.
You can stand?
Yes, okay.
You okay?
Yeah. The blood first is still.
Yeah, it's still trying to. Yeah. That's why you rest for like 15 minutes.
The blood is just flowing.
Thumbs up.
Okay, I like this. I like this.
Wonderful.
It's real. Thank you for doing it.
Oh.
Ow! Jehovah, that won't enter.
Bro, this thing is real. I swear, this thing is real.